Good morning. So, we're on our way to Thankyou Gardens. We got ourselves a driver because it's in the middle of the island and it's becoming a lot greener, as you can see. And you can even see the mountain in the background.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Much more diverse, much more greenery. Got paddy fields. Apparently they grow strawberries up here as well because we're getting quite high now.
That's it.
This is the Bali we came to see. This is the Bali that because we like.
Hotels out this way.
Yeah. Hotels for people like us.
Yeah.
I don't know whether there are too many people like us.
Oh, there's been lots of people that like peace and quiet.
Yeah.
Nature. Green. So we have arrived at the Botanic Gardens. You can get electric scooter. I think I would have liked electric scooter.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind a little scooter, but they don't seem to have any scooters here. They didn't have a scooter on the price list.
Bikes. Or you can get a bus, or you can walk around, which I think we're going to do. Let's
You
walk.
can get a golf cart as well.
A golf cart?
Yeah.
I think I like the idea of a golf cart. How much is a golf cart?
I don't know. But
Go and have a look on the price list. Yeah. I don't know if there's one. Do you like my hat, by the way? I'm going to keep going on about my hat, aren't I? So, it's nice and green. Hopefully there's somewhere we can get something to eat. We're high up into the mountains. It's absolutely gorgeous. Seeing a different side of Bali. Thankfully, because where we are in Denpasar, so busy, so built up. It's okay. Oh my god, it's just beautiful here. It's so nice. And the clouds have cleared. I've seen a big volcano. It was so cool too. Yeah. There we go. GoPro's been a bit temperamental in these high climates. So they didn't have any scooters, which were how much an hour?
40,000 rupees
an hour.
an hour.
So, and you can only go so many places with the scooter, with the golf cart. The only place you can go everywhere is on a bike, and I didn't wear shorts. So
We're walking.
we're walking. Let's start walking.
So there's this jungle path here.
And what's on the jungle path?
I don't know. It goes through wooded forested areas. I don't know. So there's formal gardens here. There's forested areas here. They give you a map, and it's all detailed. It's quite good.
And it was what, 150 to park?
Yeah, 15,000 to park and 20,000 to walk.
Oh look, the bushes have been cut into elephants. It's clever. Cactus and orchard garden.
Nice to be out in the country as well.
Oh yeah, definitely. to use the GoPro as a machete, guys. They're tiny.
Can't even see what they are.
White ones with black tips and a black dot. Oh, I wonder what that is. Looks like some type of fruit. Oh, probably not from the tree because there's no other. But I can't see anything else where it would come from. There's a little bit of rubbish in there, and so maybe fruit somebody bought on a pack lunch or something. So I'm not sure. Look at that, it's about 5 feet deep. Will Willow be able to manage the trench? The torrent of water is running so fast. Will she manage it? Will she be able to get across it? Who knows? Find out next week. Oh, hang on, I've already done it. Which way we go? So there's lots of festivals going on, and they've got a really big one tomorrow, so hopefully we'll see something going on tomorrow, which would be good. Anyway, that was the botanical garden.
We like wild.
We like wild.
Can we stop?
Can we stop?
Stop? Yeah.
Oh, we're just seeing some monkeys. We're going to stop. Beep, beep. Oh, careful, Kevin.
So this is pretty cool. We just stopped for some lunch. We're halfway to the waterfall, give or take, from the Botanic Gardens. The Botanic Gardens are over here in this valley, and that's the lake. Yeah, look at the scene. Look at the view over here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? But it was pretty cool. On the way up here, we saw some monkeys just on the side of the road, so we got to drive it, pull over, took some pictures, took some film, dropped that in. Botanic Gardens was pretty good. Quite enjoyed that. Willow's gone really traditional. She's having spaghetti bolognese. Me, I'm having a salad, some chips. There's only so much local food you can eat. Sometimes when you're missing a little bit, you can just yeah. But we'll see what the bolognese turns out like.
Hi guys. So this morning we did the garden. botanical gardens, and now we're doing the waterfalls. So it's 700 to the first.
Oh, this is...
It's doing the coffee.
Can I make one more?
Sorting out the coffee beans. So 700 metres to the first one, and a kilometre to the fourth one, and in between there's two more. You can get a motorbike for 50,000. It's like £2.50 there and back, but the road is skinny, sketchy, and they don't drive slowly. So it's like you walk through the back of people's gardens to get to it, but at least you hear the motorbikes coming. That's something. And oh my god, it's beautiful. Irises, some sort of iris, aren't they?
Yeah, they're huge, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant, iris,
Yeah, some sort of irises. Look, tighter effect ones. And there you go. Want to see some coffee? Coffee.
Yeah.
And the red ones are the ripe ones. The green ones obviously not.
This is a bit of a bonus, because I looked up the waterfalls, and if you Google them, if you go into the maps and you Google them, they show you the pictures of the waterfalls. And I thought, I didn't think, I thought you would drive up to, most waterfalls you go to, you drive flat to them, and then you climb up to them. We drove down quite a steep hill, and now we're walking down quite a steep hill to go to a waterfall. So this is quite interesting. But first things first, you've got to pay to get in. Not a problem. Keeps the local farmers happy. I ain't got a problem with that. And if we're walking down past their gardens, then why not? And yeah, we're getting to see stuff that
we wanted to see.
Yeah, this is the Bali we want to see.
Yeah.
You know, we've seen monkeys today. We're seeing coffee plants. We're seeing more coffee plants here than we saw at the coffee place.
Yeah.
And loads of other stuff. Oh, bananas.
Bananas. Oh yes. Bananas. Feeling this on my knees. Feeling it on my knees. Look at that. The canopy. It's amazing.
This is better jungle than, I must say, this is better jungle than Queensland.
Yeah. Wow. This is so peaceful. There's their electricity. You put a knot in it, you get a reduction in price. Oh, here comes the motorbike.
40k was for the round trip myself.
No, 50. 50 for a round trip.
50 for the round trip.
So, there's another 70 metres to go. The road has got a little bit narrower, but it's not as steep. I can hear water, so fingers crossed it's going to be worth it. Because my knees are going, what the hell are you doing, Willow? Kevin's alright, it's his calves. Isn't it, honey?
Yeah, it's quite a strange feeling, really.
What a feeling! Look at this sign, this is just so beautiful. That's nice, isn't it?
So I'm off to see the second set of falls. There's supposed to be 4 falls. I'm guessing down there was 2. I'm guessing there's 2 more here. But this is 700 metres. Oh, coming back up that 200 metres was a lot easier than going down it. It seemed a lot quicker as well. So, yeah. So this is 700 metres. Willow's done. She said her back was a bit twingy, and if that goes, we're in all sorts of trouble. So I'm coming down here. He just got me on this one. So more of the same. I'll tell you what, some of these steps, they're huge. I don't know if it's a way of saving concrete, but... See what I mean by these big steps? Hang on. Whether we can get this or not. Can we do this? I think we need one of these 360s. Now that is easily my knee height. I'm quite tall. How do short people not do it? Not. There you go. Can you see that? I don't know whether you picked that up, but that's some big old step. So this is waterfall number 2/3, depending on whether down the bottom there it was one or two waterfalls. You can go all the way down through this path and round there. So we just got to the end of the, well, almost to the end. We come to the fourth waterfall. And I think that is really impressive. We're going to take you down in a minute, but it has another surprise. That's pretty impressive, isn't it? And that's the sea out there. That's going to be the northwest coast of Bali. Wow, quite noisy, and I'm getting wet. No sun, so no rainbow. I think Willow would have loved it here. She loves getting wet, and it won't involve actually getting in the water because it's raining. Well, just breaking the waterfall anyway. Can you see that? I'm absolutely soaked. Luckily, we're going back now.
What an amazing day. We absolutely loved seeing the botanical gardens, but those waterfalls, they were pretty impressive, weren't they? You can see there's a lot of Bali that's absolutely stunning. Well, we hope you enjoyed it this week, and we will see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and next week will be our final installment of Bali, and then where will we go? Take care, guys. Bye.